Hello everyone, this is me Satya here, and I'm back with another reading which is going to be for whoever needs it. If you have a specific someone and you really wonder at times, you miss their talks, you miss their smile, you miss their love. You wonder at times what is it that they miss the most about you, then this reading is definitely going to help you find the answer to that. We will take oracle cards, we will take message cards from your person as well, so stay tuned. Before I dive into the read, let me remind you it's a general read. It may and it may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So let's find out. Whoever it is that you have on your mind that you really wonder at times, what is it that they miss the most about you? Let's find out. Interesting. Let's see, what is it that they miss the most about you? What is it? The Death, Five of Cups, Two of Wands, Queen of Wands, Three of Wands, Three of Swords. Redirect. We do have the Eight of Cups. Wow. Right now, it seems like they are missing you completely. Maybe you are out of touch with this person. They are definitely missing you, as in your pictures, your body, your sexual connection that they had with you, for sure. Then there is this thing that is changing within them about you. They are disappointed in themselves and disappointed in the connection and you as well. So there is a lot of disappointment happening in this connection. Maybe you have ended the connection. If not, then if you are with your specific someone, then this reading is definitely not for you, because I feel like for majority of you who can relate to this energy is the ones that are in no touch with this person. They have parted ways, they have detached, they have separated for some time, they have fought with your person. I feel like it's going to resonate with those people only, because I don't see that it's the energy of the group of people who are with your person right now, because it seems like the connection is almost dead, almost over. There is this vibe to this connection which is kind of dead, is what I'm picking up. Don't get upset with the word dead vibe of the connection. It's more like there's nothing between the two of you as of in terms of communication, as in terms of give and take equal. It's more of disappointment that maybe you could also feel for this person, for the connection that you had with this person. There are still hopes and wishes around this connection, but seems like you both have basically separated in one way or the other. Detachment, broke up, whatever it is. But when it comes to what do they miss the most about you, I feel like they are waiting for your message. They are waiting. They miss your messages. They miss your it's just more like they're missing you the other way around more, as compared to missing your love or something. It's more of a they are missing the attention that you used to give to them. They are missing the the way you would always reach out to them, the way you would always connect to them, no matter whether it was their fault or your fault. You would always make a first move towards this person, is what I'm picking up. So they are missing the attention that they used to get. They are craving for that now. But it seems like it's definitely hurting them right now, because they are disappointed that it's not happening this time. So things are changing. They feel like maybe you have changed as well. So they do miss the sexual part of the connection for sure, more than anything else. Then they are waiting on for you. They are definitely waiting on for you. They are missing your messages, they are missing your calls, they are missing your contact that you used to have with them. I feel like the connection has so much to revive basically, but there is lack of communication. It seems like the connection that you have with your person is suffering because of lack of communication, lack of um, clarity in the connection. Once everything is said, everything is brought in the open, everything is discussed, everything is being talked about, things will get back to normal. It's more of a momentarily breakup is what I'm picking up, because I feel like it's not gonna last long, because the way things are happening, the way things are changing in this connection, it seems like this is not gonna last. Underneath the deck we do have the Eight of Cups, underneath that the Four of Swords, Ten of Swords, then King of Swords, and the Empress. I feel like this connection is suffering because of no communication to lack of communication, for sure. uh, Somebody feel neglected, and that's the reason why it just broke up. The connection is so strong, to be very honest, so it's not gonna end. I feel like it's more of a momentarily. Let's see the energies of your person towards you. What is it that they're thinking about you? They have love for you. You are their wish fulfillment. Then what is it? Why the pain and suffering is there? The connection can go smooth, but somebody has to make a decision. It can be you, it can be them. To stay in the connection, to stay and have a happy, stable connection, somebody has to make a choice. Somebody has to make a decision. Now, whoever it is that is delaying the decision is the one who is delaying to, who's not ready to accept and embrace the feeling. So it can be your person's energy, but it can be yours energy as well. Maybe you are yourself not, like, for those of you who are always blaming their person that they are indecisive about you, maybe you are also indecisive about them, in terms of you at times feel like moving on, and then you feel like staying with them. So maybe in that situation you also have to make a clear mindset around this situation. As you do so, maybe your person will also make a decision about you and come forward to give the stability that this connection requires right now, because I don't think this connection will end. Right now the vibe is not so positive, but I feel like there is a lot of love. If you have your person on their mind, on your mind, they have you on their mind as well. So it's more of that energy, like if you are stressed, they are stressed too. If you it's more like you both feel the same way for each other, but somehow it's very important. This pulling away is very important, or has been very important. But yes, I feel like somebody has to make a decision here. So be that you or the person, I would suggest you to make your own decision first. As you do so, your person will also make a decision for themselves as well. So maybe that's going to help you a lot in this situation. So let's take some message card from your person. Let's see what do they want you to know. Then we take oracle, and then we'll take charms. I need space. Maybe your person needs space right now. Maybe that's what they made you believe, and that's why maybe you parted ways, or maybe that's what they need right now. And maybe the connection is over for now, for the time being. Maybe you have pulled away, but this is not getting them the happiness that they wanted, or the space, the headspace that they wanted to be in. That's not happening for them. They are disappointed. They are waiting for you. If that's what they wanted from deep within, it would have basically satisfied them, but that's not their energy. People in my life are controlling me. That's what they want you to know. Maybe they are busy with their work scenario. Maybe their family is occupying them a lot. I am really disappointed in you. They are disappointed in you. They wanted you to understand. But I feel like, in that situation too, your person could have made you understand. For some reasons, I feel like, the mistakes have been made from both ends, is what I'm picking up. But the vibe of the connection, it seems like, you had your own concerns, they had their own concerns. So you both disappointed each other, and there was a disappointment in the connection for the two of you as well. Let's take more messages from your person. Let's see what else do they want you to know. Please don't move on, wait for me. Wow, they don't want you to move on, just wait on for them. They would love if you reach out to them, but it's better if you wait on for them, because if you wait, they will be able to make the decision that they have to make. If you don't wait, and if you reach out to this person, trust me, this person will never take the important decisions until and unless you stop reaching out to this person. Let's see the charms now, and then we will take one oracle card. So we do have S. It can be your name initial of the person that you are dealing with. K, E. Then there is a unicorn, which is definitely protecting the connection. You will have a lot of clarity in the connection, and then you will have a new beginning with this person. So like I said, there is no such thing as ended the connection forever. You are going to come back together, but yes, there is time apart from each other right now, which was very necessary in this connection for the two of you to understand and value each other. The missing part is going to help the other person to make a decision that they were pending for some reasons. Keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectations. Maybe this person is different from you. Maybe you will have to understand their perspectives. But for that too, the communication is a must. Make the effort. Great love is worth taking the steps you are guided to take. Both of you are going to come back together. I feel like there are certain things that you need to understand in this connection, and maybe you don't understand them, they don't understand you. But why is that so? Because there's lack of communication, lack of clarity in the connection is what I'm picking up. So once you have both, communication, time spent together will also help. So if you have that, I feel like the connections vibe is definitely going to change for sure. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this read. If the reading resonated with you, or if it helped you in one way or the other, do like, share and subscribe. If you are willing to purchase any of the services that are offered, check the description box for further details on that. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care and bye bye.